So if you want to use the dishwasher, you open it up. Make sure if you want to refill this, you use this over here. You can refill it right now until it's full. Now it's full. If you want to refill the salt, you go back here, open this up. It's already full, so that's great. Close it up again. If you want to use the dishwasher, you use this, put it in there, close it up, put your dishes in. Here you can choose your program. This is the on button and off button. Here you can choose a program you like, for example 65, 50, Eco. Let's use that for example, and then you press the start button and you close it up.